Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to check in on United Airlines app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To check in for your flight using the United apps, what you need to do is first head over and open up your United Airlines app and be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged in, you should see your upcoming trips under My Trips tab, which is located in the middle of the options. And if you don't see your trip immediately, you can manually search for it by entering your confirmation number, ticket number or flight details. Now once inside your trips, tap on the flight you want to check in for. Now once you have selected the flight, look for the check-in button. This is typically displayed on the trips detail page. Tap check-in to begin the process. If you have multiple passengers on the same booking, you will be prompted to select the passengers you wish to check in. You can check in for all the passengers at once or individually. If you have checked bags, the app will allow you to select your baggage option and you will be able to pay for checked bags directly to the app if needed. Now all you gotta do is reboot flight details, choose or modified seats and obtain your boarding pass, and lastly finish the process after checking in and receiving your boarding pass. You are ready to go. So these are a couple of things that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.